Introducing the 2019 Volvo S60. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include rain-sensing wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated front and rear seats, a headlight cleaning system, remote keyless entry, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. The unique heads-up display projects vehicle information onto the windshield, including speed, gear selection, and engine speed. Drivers benefit by not having to take their eyes off the road. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and more than 20 speakers, providing an unparalleled richness of audio. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you